Hello guys, welcome back to AppGeeker channel. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, when you entered the wrong passcode for many times, after 15 minutes timeout then enter the passcode again, you'll see a security lockout screen, just like this. In today's video, I'll show you one effective way to fix your security lockout screen. If your device is connecting to a network and you've signed in with your Apple ID and enabled Find My, you'll see the Erase iPhone option on the bottom right of the screen, which enabled you can unlock this lock iPhone without using a computer. Tap on Erase iPhone, then you will get a Contents and Settings screen. It reminds you that it will erase all contents and settings on your phone, including the passcode. You also can wait 15 minutes again to enter the correct passcode if you're lucky. Tap Erase iPhone again, enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. When the Apple logo and loading bar appears, it means that the erase is getting start. This process may take a while. Wait for it to wipe all of your data and settings. If you have a backup for your phone before, you can restore them from a back later on the Apps and Data screen. Look, the Hello screen appears. Follow the instruction on the screen to set up your phone. When you get to this Apps and Data screen, you can get your data and settings back by selecting Restore from iCloud Backup option, then enter your Apple ID and password. Choose a latest backup to proceed. Now it starts to restore your data and it'll take a while, depending on your backup data size. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart again and you can get your data back to the device. Here we go, we're back on the home screen, simple like that. All these looks amazing, but if there's no security lockout alert on the screen or it just show you iPhone unavailable message instead, and there is no Erase iPhone option on the screen yet. Don't worry, you can use a third-party tool called iPhone Unlocker from appgeeker.com to help you unlock your iPhone on a computer. Go to the web browser, enter www.appgeeker.com, then you will jump to the home page. Scroll down, you can see the iPhone Unlocker is here. Here you can see Win Download or Mac Download button. Once you downloaded and installed, you can use it to fix your security lockout screen. Hopefully this video solves your problem. If it does, please hit the thumbs up and share with your friends. Hope to see you in the next video.